In 2017, we unveiled a new strategic plan for the Upstate SC Alliance to bring together more focus on what we're trying to do in terms of that marketing globally, that we are competing and we are going to succeed in the global market, as well as allowing companies that are already here greater opportunities in expanding their ability to reach the global marketplace. Since BMW has come to the Upstate and started operations in 1994, there's been a noticeable impact on drawing attention from companies in other parts of the globe. 30 or 40 years ago, maybe people weren't sure they would ever look at our state or our region for investment. And now it's happening daily, if not weekly.
The facility here in Greenville initially was a facility that we were trying to place somewhere in Georgia, North Carolina, and maybe even Florida. Key relationships were really integral for us as we decided where we wanted to be, and the Upstate Alliance was behind all that. Folks like Jacob Hickman actually helped us find this facility. I remember a time when I was driving around South Carolina and Jacob knew I was in the state, but he called me up and he made me aware of the facility that we're in today. And he said, "Steve, I really think that this is a good fit based on what you told us you're looking for." I think what I enjoyed most about working with the Upstate Alliance was the fact that there was a real connection to what we saw as a need. As a company, we only succeed when we connect with what our customers' needs are, and we provide value and solutions for them. And I felt like the Upstate Alliance was doing that for us. They paid attention to what it was that we said we needed, and they took it seriously and they found solutions. My employees can live in the country, they can live downtown, they can live in the suburbs. There's something for everyone in the Upstate.
I'm from South Carolina, from Dacusville, Pickens County, South Carolina. I lived here, grown up here all my life. Got my GED and went through Foothills Family Resources to do that, and through them I went through the manufacturing class with Greenville Tech, and I have the opportunities to progress through the ranks, move eventually supervisor position, and have leadership abilities over people and be able to branch out. Having the ability to do a job like this one so close to home is pretty great. Not having to move, not having to uproot my life, just being able to find work within the area I live in. It's not too far of a drive. It's real fortunate to have work like this available in my local area.
When we arrived the first time here, we tried to get settled in here on our own. We soon discovered that there was a service. We got provided with a lot of support and site selection, lawyers and local contacts which help us to actually explore the area and also make a positive selection for our company here. One of the best things we experienced here was the SPARC Center, which helped us to get a temporary office, a temporary address, mailing services, all different kind of help in that area, and the best thing was for free. Having the Spartanburg Community College right around the corner, supplying us with ScholarTech students, with maintenance mechanics, with mechatronics and programmers. We have currently about 20 open positions in the company, and we're eager to fill them. So it's a great help for us to develop our talent inside of our company.
Union County is a rural community in the upstate region of South Carolina, and we have been very successful in supporting our local, regional, and state economies over the last 10 years. Our county has been very successful in retaining our existing industries and expansion of those industries. 90% of industrial growth has been the result of existing industries expanding within our county line. That has equaled to over $350 million in capital investment and also over 1,000 jobs coming into our region. A lot of that has been from collaborative efforts that we've had with the Upstate Alliance and our regional partners. If they were not sitting at the table with us, they were behind the scenes helping us work that project, helping us put our best foot forward and helping us win the project.
5 years ago, we started looking at different places to open a new office and got connected with the Upstate Alliance. And over the course of the time since then, we quickly became investors, and this past year have become a board member of the Upstate Alliance. It's been a great way to help our transition into the business community and just personal connections. They've introduced us to companies that are coming here from Europe and Asia. I think people here may underestimate all the different things that you have to adapt to as you move into a new country. And those guys need the accounting expertise and understanding of the U.S. tax system, but they also also have many other needs, legal, cultural, professional, and the Upstate Alliance have been able to help those companies successfully transition here to the Upstate. Me and another one of my partners, David Jones, have been involved in the Global Competitiveness Council. There's 4 committees of the council, and it's really exciting to see what every committee's done to start implementing their ideas and getting the word out there, how much the Upstate is benefiting from being globally competitive and helping to get that message out there to the community. And I think everyone in our firm would say that the investment that we've made in the Upstate Alliance it will repay itself tenfold.
There's something special about this place called the Upstate of South Carolina. There's a sense of pride that goes with that, and I can say that because I'm a native here. When you think about over 170 private sector investors, think about 10 counties and 8 cities, this regional marketing and economic development approach is something that's probably propelling us faster than a lot of other states in terms of competing globally. And I think just this Upstate team approach, it's a win-win times 1,000.